Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for extra warm, waterproof winter boots for the man in your life, you can't go wrong with this pair that we got from Wondamo. So my husband has what I would say are chronically cold feet, and he needs something that is going to keep them nice and toasty. These are lined with a faux fur, not just around the sides, but also on the soles, and he loved them as soon as he put them on. They're so nice and fuzzy and warm and comfy. These have been great not just for when he is outside working, but also when he's in business attire. These are good looking enough that you can wear them with slacks or a suit and still look dressed up. But they're rugged enough to wear for your work too. They have really nice anti-slip soles. We really appreciated the design on the tongue area because it has an extra flap of fabric that helps to keep the water out. We got the size 10.5, which is the size my husband wears, and he says these are true to size. They also have good ankle support, which is nice for my husband because he does have weaker ankles. My husband and I are both really pleased with this pair of boots. They have exceeded our expectations for warmth and comfort, and that's our point of view.